Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland stands as a testament to nature's awe-inspiring beauty and human ingenuity. With its diverse landscapes ranging from the majestic peaks of the Swiss Alps to the tranquil shores of its pristine lakes, Switzerland offers a captivating blend of natural wonders and cultural treasures. The Swiss Alps, with their snow-capped summits and rugged terrain, are perhaps the most iconic feature of the Swiss landscape. From the towering Matterhorn to the imposing Jungfrau, these mountains inspire a sense of wonder and awe in all who behold them. In winter, the Alps become a playground for winter sports enthusiasts, with world-class ski resorts like Zermatt, Verbier, and St. Moritz drawing visitors from around the globe. In summer, the alpine meadows come alive with colorful wildflowers, offering endless opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and mountaineering. Nestled among the peaks of the Alps are charming alpine villages that seem frozen in time. Places like Leiterbrunnen, Zermatt, and Grindelwald exude a rustic charm, with traditional wooden chalets, winding cobblestone streets, and flower-bedecked balconies. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the rich traditions of Swiss mountain life, from sampling local delicacies like cheese fondue and raclette to exploring historic churches and museums. Switzerland's lakes are equally enchanting, offering a serene contrast to the rugged grandeur of the mountains. Lake Geneva, with its elegant waterfront promenades and cosmopolitan cities like Geneva and Lausanne, is a playground for the rich and famous, while Lake Lucerne, with its dramatic fjord-like landscape and picturesque towns, is a favorite among nature lovers and romantics. The Swiss Federal Railways, SBB, operates a comprehensive network of trains that crisscross the country, offering scenic routes through mountain passes and along lake shores. The famous Glacier Express and Bernina Express are among the most scenic train journeys in the world, taking passengers on a breathtaking ride through some of Switzerland's most spectacular landscapes. Whether you're exploring the cobbled streets of a medieval old town, hiking through a pristine alpine valley, or cruising on a tranquil lake, Switzerland offers a wealth of experiences that will leave you enchanted and inspired. With its timeless beauty and rich cultural heritage, Switzerland truly is a destination like no other. Do subscribe to our channel and like the video.